Hey guys, hi, this is Hemant and welcome back to the session. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. And this is the fifth interview video we are going to do. So if you're a fresher who wants to get into your dream company, these videos will be very useful. So today I'm going to interview Pawan Kalyan, who got selected in NTT Data. NTT Data is one of the good software company in India, and today, Pawan Kalyan will share his experiences. So without any delay, let's get into the video, and I would like to welcome Pawan Kalyan. Welcome, Pawan Kalyan.
Hi, Hemant. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine. Hope all are doing well.
Yeah, all are good. So introduce yourself to the audience, Pawan Kalyan.
My name is Pawan Kalyan. I got selected in NTT Data. It's a big Japanese MNC, and the entity it is a part of NTT. NTT means Nippon Telephone and Telegraph Company. It is, and NTT Data is a part of its branches of software development and IT sector. For the entity data, there are 4 rounds. First round is written test, and the written test is AMCAT based test. It usually conducted on VR Siddhartha College in Vijayawada every year. Across our state, it is conducted at Vijayawada. They conduct the exam through AMCAT. The AMCAT exam consists of firstly four
Yeah, carry on. No problem.
Okay. Four parts. The first part is English. It is 25 questions, 25 MCQs and paragraphs. It's all include vocabulary, meanings, all this part, 25 questions and for 25 minutes. And the next part is quantitative aptitude. It is for 25 questions and for 25 minutes. It includes time and work, all the quantitative aptitude part like interest, profit, loss, remaining all are the we can easily crack the quantitative aptitude part if we practice if we are familiar with the quantitative aptitude, and then with the logical reasoning. It is also 25 questions and for 35 minutes. And it's also involve all the logical questions like number series, logical questions like they give names and they give hints to solve the next series like that. It is very easy. And the next part consists of it does not contain any programming part. It contains only MCQs. It's for 25 bits and 25 minutes. All the all the questions MCQs related to the programming part, related to the like C, Java, C++, data structures. You don't need to worry about you don't know HTML or SQL. You don't need to worry. You can gain marks in C, Java, and data structure, because most questions are from that only. So you can easily crack the exam with not much high. It's a moderate level exam, so you can easily crack the exam easily. After the exam, after 1 week, the AMCAT will send you the invitation to attend interview to the interview to NTT. It is also conducted at VR Siddhartha College. The interview consists of 3 rounds. Firstly, group discussion, followed by TR, and finally the HR round. Unlike coming to the group discussion, they will make 7 people for each batch, and they will conduct the group discussion. Unlike all the group discussions that we came across in different companies, but they will provide chance to each and every person in the 7%. But if you are unable to raise the voice at the first, they will give chance, but they will ask to, if they are defending, then they ask to attack. It means if they are talking about advantages, if all are talking about advantages, if you give a chance to, if they are give chance to, they ask to tell disadvantages about the group discussion. So you may in problem, because you are familiar with advantages, because you hear about at least five people are talking rigorously and continuously, not to take chance to give chance to others. So you must be raise your voice before they give chance, and control over all the remaining. Then you have a high chance to get qualified from the group discussion. In my session, they asked me about space research is advantages or not advantages. At first, all are starting there. It is very useful, because the ISRO, NASA, and many scientists are governments are providing high amount to in space exploration. So all in out of 7, 5 are continuously talking, and 2 are silently sit there, because they don't raise their voice to talk. Then the interviewer asked the remaining people at the end, tell me about disadvantages, because space exploration needs a lot of money. You need to give to the people who are suffering from, but you need to, if instead you tell the in favor of disadvantage, but you are not able to tell, because you hear lot of voices around the positivity, you can't give to negativity. So they are eliminated, and the remaining 5 and me and remaining 4 are selected for the next round. And coming to the TR interview, after qualifying the group discussion, the TR interview is very easy. In my sense, it make much easy to me, because the interviewers at first started to introduce myself. I started introduce myself as regular. My name is Pawan Kalyan and I am from Lakhireddy Baledi College. So. Then he stopped it after I telling my percentages. Then he asked me just 4 questions from programming and from electronics, basic from as a EC background. He asked me about C basic questions. Like he asked me at first starting about what is an array definition. Then he asked about he go through my resume. I've written what are the languages I know. I've written C, Java, and basics of data structure. He make a joke. Is the basics of data structure is a language is a separate course? No, sir. It's I know only basics. Then he started asking about it. He asked me about from C, what is array, what is the difference between for loop and while loop, and I asked more definitely for the while loop is when we don't know the number of iterations, when only we know the condition, then we go for while loop. If you know the number of iterations, we go for the for loop. In the same way, he said good, and he asked about, do you know OOPS concepts? I said yes. And he asked me, what are the OOPS concept? What is OOPS? Object-oriented programming or programming. And he asked about, do you know polymorphism? Yes, I said. And then what is polymorphism? He asked me about runtime polymorphism, compile time polymorphism with examples. And I explained with an example. And he came to the data structures and he asked about, do you know linked list? Yes, I know linked list. I tell the definition. Do you know double linked list? Yes, I know the double. When we use single linked list and double linked list, I said when you know the further address, when you are chaining and if you are chaining the, you are using single linked list. When you want to go backward and forward, they use double linked list. This is my it will take around 5 minutes only for my TR interview, and then I was selected and I just want to wait outside for the HR interview. Meanwhile, waiting for the HR interview, many people are come and sit around me. They are also saying it's a little bit of easy, but you need to confidence about what you written on the resume, because they consider only resume, because you need to much confident on what you write and what you say. They will ask according to that only. They don't need ask SQL, HTML. You don't know. So you need to be confident on which languages you know, and you need to write only the languages you know, at least confidently, not not whole, but confidently you know these some topics. You need to write it on resume. All are and similar questions from different people. They also same interview process. The TR interviews mainly concentrate on the on how much you need to concentrate, how much you know, how much you confident on the languages or the core subject. And for the core, they asked me about digital electronics and gate or gates. They give a Boolean expression to write the diagram. It consists of AND gates and OR gates. You need to write it. It's all for the TR interview. And coming to the HR interview, he HR interview uh, is quite you need to much talk. Your how much you talk, they will consider for all the for any company. He sit in front of me. It's around 15 minutes. They interviewed me for around 15 minutes. He go through my resume. He asked to introduce myself. I introduced myself in the same way. My name is and from college, and the mask blah blah blah. And when I finished when I finished to introduce myself, and they asked me about my hobbies. I wrote hobbies like traveling, listening music, and two other things. They asked me, they don't know. They asked me, where are you travel, where are you planning to go? And I said I travel South India and I just want to travel North India in case. And which location do you want to say? I said to go to North Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, like places. Okay. And then he asked about me a question that is quite familiar to. What is your greatest success and what is your greatest failure? And I say, as a student, I say I didn't have any failure or success because I'm still a student to learn. So I convinced myself, the interviewer, that I don't have a failure, but I didn't try in a situation that I want to go to NITs, but I was unable to get it. So I said that. Well, he was convinced. What is your biggest success? And then he asked, my biggest success, I don't think I much succeeded, but I said I got much marks in intermediate. It's 980 out of 1,000. So it gives me much happiness, but it doesn't mean I am a success. Then he's okay. But I convinced him that I don't have success, but that I have things that makes me happy, but getting score or marks at doing things. Then he asked me things like about that. Why are you shifting from IT? Why are you shifting from electronics to IT industry? It is the much familiar question. So I say, in my view, I say this IT has a large opportunities to grow quickly. And he say in electronics also, if you work hard, you will get success. I say, but in order to succeed in a little time, you need to find the shortest way, and that is IT. How programming? So you are familiar with programming? How do you do programming? And I say I do programming from online resources, from Geeks for Geeks, from Java tutorial points. I make sample programmings and I've written on it on my own, and I will try it on my own. Okay. Then why IT industry? Then he again asked, why IT industry? Then in order to convince, I saw in an article that more technicians from different IT industries are getting patent rights for their algorithms written in different programming languages. I said it will be useful for me to get rid of this question. I say the same answer. Many techies, they find algorithms and they get patents. Not only in electronics, but if we get good work and goodwill to work with programming, we also get patents. We also get paid high amounts. Then he is convinced with my answer, and he asked literally, and he again come to the programming. How much you rate in the programming? I say it's about, if I say 5, it is half. It's not good to come to this stage. I say 8. What? CSC people won't tell 8 out of 10. Why you said? I said from ECE I can much familiar with programming, so I can rate 8 out of 10. So you are good with programming. So can I ask questions? Yes, sir. You can ask me questions. Then he asked me about a simple question. What is break and what is continue? Then I given the definitions. Then he is satisfied with the example I give. Then, okay, are you willing to work at any time for 24 hours, any shifts? Yes, I will. Yes, we need to say yes if we are willing to say or not. Then I said yes. Then they said it's over. Then you can go and outside and sit for the result. And after that, I will wait and outside at the end of the evening. They said me, you are fine, you are selected, and they give me offer letter and with the entity badge. Oh, that's all my experience with the entity.
Yeah, thank you, Pawan. And I would like to ask you some questions.
Okay.
So in the written test pattern, they didn't ask any programming questions.
No, they won't ask any programming questions. It's basically MCQs, 25 MCQs, and for 25 minutes.
So guys, this is the one of the written test. You don't need to write any programming in that test. So you don't need to panic while writing that exam, actually, because basically most of the people fear about programming and their execution in the written test. So you don't need to panic in the exam. And only quantitative aptitude and verbal aptitude. Is it right?
Yeah, English. English.
Yeah. Verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, and 25 programming questions.
Yes.
So according to you, what is the level of interview? Is it average or low?
It is moderate level. You don't need to be panic. At first, after qualifying the test, I searched in the Google what they ask in the interview. They said they have different assumptions, like they ask more about SQL databases, but they don't because in the Google they conduct every state have different exam. They conducted for different opportunities for in different state. They choose different people for different purposes in different cities. So you don't need to panic. You need to confident about what you know and what you write on your resume only. You need to be confident much about your resume. It is the most important thing I know from the experience from the interview.
Yeah, Pawan. And is there any bond for this company?
No, there is no bond. At first, they will provide stipend 12,000 for in the probation period, and then they will continue to work as a part of their company.
What is the package you got?
I got the package of 3.5 lakhs per annum.
Okay. So in the resume, did you write any certifications, and did they ask any certifications in the interview?
No, they didn't ask me about any certifications. Then they asked me questions what I told. They mainly concentrate does not on any certifications or any courses. They mainly concentration on how much knowledge you have on what you write and what you study. That's it. They also said they don't have any, they don't have back
Backlog.
they don't say, no, I am not saying about backlogs. They are backdoor. They don't have any backdoor. You can get to NTT through this. They conducted the Cool Campus Day, or if you have ability to write the AMCAT exam, if you get good marks, they will call for the interview in NTT. These are the two ways only to get into NTT data.
So two ways are AMCAT and the Cool Campus Drive.
Yes, that's it. There is no other way. They said they mainly concentrate on the people who are confident about and who are able to communicate very good. That's it. It's a moderate level of interview experience. It is good.
Yeah. So coming to this interview experience, I would like to conclude with some of the points. Basically, I have done 4 interviews. In these 4 interviews, these are the common points: resume preparation and attractive resume, good communication skills, brush up your basic knowledge. That's it. These are enough for all these companies. So, Pawan, would you like to give any suggestions to our juniors or friends?
I would like to suggest, be confident. Be aware of the basic languages, then you will easily get the job. Don't be panic. It is the, if you are unable to crack one exam, don't be sad or go depressed. You can get another opportunities. Example, in the AMCAT, I've written the exam through AMCAT. In the quantitative aptitude, I came across the question that are previously done by me in different written tests. So it is very easy to me to write the answers because I already did it myself in the previous written exams or written test or the CRT training. So it is much easy for me to make answers. So if you are good at quantitative aptitude, you can get maximum marks at quantitative aptitude, and then logical reasoning is also very easy. And you can, if you score it English, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, you must be selected. You must be selected for the interview. So you must be aware of the basics. You must need to aware of basics of languages, basics of electronics. You need to much aware of that. Then you can simply get any job in any software or IT firm.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Pawan Kalyan, for providing us a wonderful interview experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Hemant.
Yeah, guys. So if you are a guy who wants to get into NTT data, this interview will fetch you your dream job. And so if you like the content, please like it and share with your friends who need it. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and comment if you have any doubts. We will reply as early as possible. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. So bye bye.